everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I am excited to announce our new project on how teachers can use Chat GPT in their classrooms. Chat GPT is a powerful language model that can help teachers to create engaging and interactive lessons for their students. With Chat GPT, teachers can easily generate lesson plans, quizzes, and activities that are tailored to their students' needs and abilities. One of the great things about Chat GPT is that it can be used across different subject areas and grade levels. Whether you're teaching English, math, or science, Chat GPT can help you to create engaging and interactive lessons that will keep your students engaged and motivated. In this project, we'll be sharing real-life examples of how teachers are using Chat GPT in their classrooms and providing tips and strategies for getting the most out of this powerful tool. We'll also be sharing some of the latest research on the impact of Chat GPT on student learning. So if you're a teacher, or if you're just interested in learning more about how Chat GPT can be used in education, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing new videos and updates on this project every week, so you won't want to miss out. Now to the show. Today, I'm going to talk to you about practical ways language teachers can use Chat GPT in their classes. In this video series, I'm going to share practical examples of how language teachers are using Chat GPT in their classrooms, as well as tips and strategies for getting the most out of this powerful tool. I'll also be sharing some of the latest research on the impact of Chat GPT on language learning. Number 1. Essay writing. A teacher could use GPT to help students generate ideas and organize their thoughts when writing essays. The model could also help students improve their grammar and sentence structure. Reading comprehension. GPT could be used to generate questions or summaries of texts to help students improve their understanding and retention of what they've read. Language learning. A teacher could use GPT to help students learn a new language by generating translations of sentences or paragraphs. The model could also be used to help students practice their speaking and writing skills in the target language. Research assistance. GPT can be utilized for students to assist in research projects. Its ability to generate summaries, paraphrase, and generate new text can help the student with expanding on their research topic. Improving creative writing skills. By giving prompts, GPT can be used to generate creative writing pieces, helping students come up with new ideas and to write more fluently. These are just a few examples of how a teacher could use GPT in the classroom. The possibilities are wide, as GPT is a very flexible tool that can be used in a variety of ways to help students learn and improve their skills. Language learning is a complex process that requires practice in multiple areas, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Chat GPT, as a language model, can help teachers and students in a variety of ways to support these different areas of language learning. Vocabulary acquisition. Chat GPT can be used to generate examples of new vocabulary words in context, making it easier for students to understand and remember the meanings of new words. Sentence structure practice. Chat GPT can be used to generate sentences for students to practice grammar and sentence structure. For example, a teacher could use the model to generate sentences for students to conjugate or to practice subject-verb agreement. Dialogue practice. Chat GPT can be used to generate dialogues for students to practice listening and speaking skills. The model can generate dialogues based on a particular topic or level of difficulty, making it a versatile tool for language teachers. Translation assistance. GPT can be used to generate translations of sentences or paragraphs to help students understand the meaning of text in the target language and build comprehension. Writing assistance. GPT can be used to generate sentences or paragraphs, and by giving prompts, it can be used to help students with the generation of their own writing pieces, and help them write more fluently. Generating questions. GPT can be used to generate comprehension questions based on a text, helping students to improve their reading comprehension and critical thinking skills. By using Chat GPT as a tool to supplement traditional language learning methods, teachers can provide students with additional opportunities to practice and improve